Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid homage to the unsung tribal heroes and martyrs of the freedom struggle at Mangad Hill in Banswari district of Rajasthan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Mobi today. The state government has declared a one-day mourning tomorrow to pay respects to the deceased of the tragedy. President Draupadi Murmu has said that the water crisis is a multidimensional and complex issue that needs to be dealt with through collective global efforts. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) will launch the pilot project of digital rupee in the wholesale segment today. The BCCI Selection Committee has announced the squad for the upcoming ODI and Test series against Bangladesh. The men in blue will be captained by Rohit Sharma for both ODI and Test series, while KL Rahul will play the role of deputy.